In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns after column Z in Google Sheets. If you've ever reached the end of your sheet and wondered how to keep going past Z, you are in the right place. Google Sheets labels columns across the top from A to Z, and after that it continues with pairs of letters. To begin, move to the far right of your spreadsheet until you find column Z. You can do this by dragging the horizontal scroll bar at the bottom or by swiping across if you are using a trackpad. Keep an eye on the column headers at the top. Once you see Z, you are exactly where you need to be. Next, select the entire column by clicking directly on the letter Z at the top of the column. When you click the header, Sheets highlights the whole column, not just a single cell. This is important because it tells Google Sheets exactly where you want to make the change. You'll see the column shaded, confirming you've selected it correctly. Now click on that highlighted Z header to open the context menu. From the menu that appears, choose Insert One Column Right. This command tells Google Sheets to place a brand new column immediately to the right of Z, shifting anything that was there further to the right. You are not deleting or replacing data. You are simply creating more space. As soon as you do this, you'll see a new column appear labeled A. That's how Sheets continues the alphabet after Z. If you need more space, repeat the same action. Make sure the rightmost column is selected. Right-click the header, and choose Insert One Column Right again. Each new column will continue the sequence A, B, A, C, and so on. So you can keep building your sheet as wide as your project demands. A quick tip as you work: inserting a column adjusts your sheet automatically. Cells shift to the right to make room, and formulas that refer to ranges typically update to reflect the new layout. It's a good habit to glance at your headers and any totals after you add columns, just to confirm everything still lines up the way you expect. If you ever click the wrong option in the menu, you can simply undo and try again. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.